Yo, what's up guys? I'm here trail riding in Coatesville. I'm with this bull's on a KTM 250 and a CRF 150R. I'm on my TTR. This is the guy who sold me the bike I'm on right now, or I guess traded, and cash on top. But yeah guys, hopefully I'm gonna have a lot of videos. I'm gonna be here all day. I'm only gonna upload the shit that's important. I'm not gonna just spam up shit that like wouldn't be exciting. But yeah, here we are. Wheelies. Are we going somewhere else? I don't even know what's going on right now. These bulls are experienced riders. They've been riding for like years. I think he's gonna do some wheelies for us. I can't. What?
He needs to move. He sucks ass. That nigga can't move.
You said he couldn't wheelie. Talking shit on him. That bull's wheeling like shit. I don't know where they're going. I guess I'll just do some wheelies in the meantime. Hey guys, these guys are fucking crazy. How's that for a wheelie? How about them apples? Let's get some videos of this bull wheeling. Guess he can do crazy long wheelies. He does the knee knockers, he does one-handed. He is all about that bike life. When he comes back, I'm gonna catch him. He's doing signals saying like don't go. I don't know what's going down right now. Oh, my phone's still here. That's good. Last time I was here it fell off, so I got all these rubber bands. Won't fall off this way, won't fall off that way. My mom told me don't. There's security right there. Guess he knows that. Fuck is this bull going? He's crazy. Let me get in front of you because I want to get that on the GoPro. He didn't hear. Alright, I'll follow you. So many good thumbnail opportunities, guys. It's ridiculous. Oh god. Yep, locked up the rear wheel. This shit's intense, guys. Alright guys, so I don't want to just hit, oh god, rear brake, I need it. Oh god. I just gotta keep up with these guys. I accidentally hit the shifter. Shit is so fun, guys. If you don't have a dirt bike, I highly recommend you get one. Oh god. This shit's kind of intense. Oh god, oh no, oh no. Where's my rear brake? There it is. Fuck. Oh my god, this is shit's so intense. Oh my god. They not. Fuck, guys. Fucking motor tripping. Sorry I'm such a bitch, guys. Oh my god, water, guys. No, this is more like motor tripping. Oh yeah. What the fuck did I just do? Fuck no. What? I think I had no reserve. Where do I can't get out of first gear. My lever's stuck. Oh god damn it. Oh, this is not good, guys. My lever's like stuck underneath the engine, so I can't get out of first gear. I promise I'm not being. No, I didn't tell you to go. God damn, I told him to stop. Fuck. Railroad tracks up here. Hold up! Hold up! Hold up! What the fuck? Yo. Hold up. Like. Hold up. My lever's stuck. I can't get out of first gear. The lever got bent in. What? The lever. It's bent in under the engine. What? I know. No, you guys just kept going and I was like in first gear. First. I don't know if yeah, we're good. We're good. I hate rocks. I hate rocks. I hate them. I don't like this. Imagine this on a pit bike. I hate it even more. Jump. I hate rocks. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. Did I mention I hate rocks? Oh, there's bumps up here too, guys. Rocks get even better. I'm swerving back and forth and I don't like it because I hate rocks. Might as well pull a wheelie, am I right? Am I in third? Yeah, I'm in third. Fuck, guys. My phone's still there. We're good for now. Oh yeah, guys. I'm like Travis fucking Pastrana doing these bumps. Fucking race me. Oh yeah, great technique. Fuck yeah, guys. Oh my god. Which way did they go? That is the question. I'm gonna say they went straight, but I really don't know.